Plant your cucumber seeds where it is warm, 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius. Start your seeds indoors with a potting mix of your choice. Sow a couple seeds per hole. Planting depth should be a ½ inch or 1.27 centimeters. Germination in 8 to 10 days. Cucumbers need a lot of warmth and light. Find a sunny location to start growing your seeds, or use a grow light and a heat mat for optimal growth and health. Once the weather breaks, you can plant your cucumbers. For longer and straighter cucumbers, grow near a trellis or cage. It will give space and promote climbing. Make sure to allow 12 inches or 30 centimeters between plants. In rows, give 48 inches or 122 centimeters. After you have transplanted your cucumber plants, make sure to work around some compost in and around the roots every few weeks. Also, do not let your cucumbers get too long because they will taste bitter. Days to harvest is 55 to 60 days.